Did you know that the world's largest chocolate bar weighed almost 6,000 kilograms? It was made in Armenia in 2010, and it took a team of chocolate makers 6 days to create it. The chocolate bar was made from dark chocolate and contained 70% cocoa. The mold used to create the bar was specially designed and measured over 5 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. Once the bar was made, was broken down into smaller pieces and distributed to chocolate lovers around the world. And that's the story of the world's largest chocolate bar. Who knows what record-breaking chocolate creation will come next? You can't buy happiness, but you can buy chocolate, which is kind of the same thing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.